Hey guys, I'll be teaching how to build a dino smasher part 4. The first step is you crack it open. That's how it is assembly. And then the next step is the real dino fossil. The first one is grab a piece with the Smashers logo. Then place the first piece on your hand like this. Put the bottom. The pieces don't click. Hold them on. And then you put the top one right there. Turn it around. Put the longest piece like this. And then you put the other longest piece. And after your fifth place, and then you put the toy back. The last one is, you have to do it like this. Then you snap it like this. And then your dino smasher done.